Hello guys, good morning and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see one of the mains level DA. Before going this video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe it and share this video with your friends. Now let's go into the question. See what is the question? The question is like pie chart shows this degree distribution of marks scored by five students in English. Who are these five students? A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, these are the five students. So, and they are given like this data they are given, that is A is like 9x, B is like 4x. It is nothing but degrees. Okay, it is nothing but degrees. Okay. Okay. Next one. Bar graph shows difference in marks scored by Maths and English. Okay, this is nothing but difference in marks scored by Maths and English. So what is the difference between Maths and English by A? 70, by B 40, by C 100, by D 40, by E again 100. And they are given total marks scored in English is equal to 360 marks. Okay, so we already know circle means what is a maximum degree? 360 degree. That means if I add all those numbers, that is like 9x plus 4x x square, okay, 8x and 2 into x minus 5 whole square. How much you want to get? You should get 360. Now what I'll do, I'll add it. See, 9x plus 4x plus 8x. How much it is? It is 21x. Okay, plus x square plus 2 into x minus 5 whole square is equal to 360. Okay, so 21x plus x square plus 2x square. Okay, so how this 2x square is coming in the sense is simple. What is x minus 5 whole square? X minus 5 whole square is nothing but x square plus 10x plus 25. Okay, plus 25. Now I want to twice. Okay, so 2 into x square will be getting 2x square. Okay, plus 20x plus 50 is equal to 360. Sorry, here it is minus. Okay, so here it is minus. So 21x minus 20x, how much it is? Plus x. So 2x square plus x square, which is nothing but 3x square. Okay, so 50 minus 310, which is equal to minus 310. Okay, 50 minus 360, how much it is? Minus 310, which is equal to 0. Now we need to take the factors. Okay, what is the factors? So 310 and 3. So we can take it as 31 and 30. So how we can write 3x square plus 31x minus 30x minus 310 equal to 0. So from this I can be taking x outside. If I take x out, I'll be getting 3x and 31. And similarly 3x plus 31. So here which number I have to take? 10 I want to take out. Okay. So from here we can take x minus 10 equal to 0 and 3x plus 31 equal to 0. Okay. Anyhow we'll be omitting this value because 3x will become minus 31. So we'll be omitting this negative value now. So we'll be directly omitting. So from this we'll be getting x is equal to 10. Okay. The value of x is how much? It will be 10. Now, what we'll do, we'll just write down the value. See, already we know what is the value of x. Now, I'll make one table, the English, difference between Max and English, and marks scored by Max. So, how many numbers? A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. So, A scored how much marks in English? See here, so 9 into 10, how much it is? 90. Next, 40. Next, 100. Next, 80. Next here, 40. Okay. So, how much it is? 90, 40, 100, 80, 50. Okay, 90, 40, okay, 90, 40, 100, 80, 50. Next thing, difference. 70, 40, 100, 40, 100. Okay, 70, 40, 100, 40, 100. Okay, so this is the details they are given in this chart. Okay, so now you know. Okay, see m minus e. Okay, so from m, if I subtract e, okay, how much I'm getting? 70. Let me take it for uh, person a. So what is the mark scored by a in English? See, m minus 90 equal to 70. That means mark scored by max is nothing but 90 plus 70, which is equal to 160. Okay, so the total marks scored by a is nothing but sum of these two numbers, which is nothing but 160. Then what about B? 80. What about C? 200. What about D? 120. What about E? 150. Okay, 150. Now let's check for the question. See here, if person F scores 37.5 percentage more marks than D. Okay, so how we'll be writing 37.5 percentage, which is nothing but 3 by 8. So they are telling 37.5 percentage more, which is nothing but 11 by 8. Okay, so F scores 11 by 8 of marks scored by D in max. Okay, what is the marks scored by D in max? 120. So if I cancel, this is one time and this is 15 time, which is nothing but 165. And F scores 50% less marks than A in English. Okay, so A in English, how much? 90. So 50% less in the sense of 90, which is equal to 45. Now, find the total marks scored by F. What is the total marks scored by F? 210. Is what percentage more or less than total marks scored by C? Okay, what is the total marks here? So 160 plus 90, which is nothing but 250. Here it is 120. Here it is 300. 200 and 200. Now the question is, marks scored by F is what percentage more or less when compared with C? See, F scored how much? 210. C scored how much? 300. So it is more or less. Yes, definitely it is less. How much it is less? 90. When compared with 300. So this is how much percentage, and your zeros and zeros will get cancelled, which is nothing but 30 percentage. Okay, so answer for this one is 30 percentage. But if you observe here, the options are given like 3x percentage less, 2 plus, sorry, 2x plus 5 percentage less. Okay, so now previously we have seen what is the value of x. What is the value of x? Equal to 10. So 30 is nothing but 3 into 10 now, because 3x. Okay, 3 into 10, how much it is? 30 percentage less. Okay, so answer for that one is 30, that is 3x percentage less. Okay, next one. Okay, what is the next one? Average marks A, B, E in English. Okay, A, B, E. Okay, so A, B, and E in English. Okay, what is the marks of A, B in English? 90, 40, that is 130, and 50, 180. Okay, how much it is? 180. 90, 40, and 50. So 180 is the total, but they are telling average mark. So average is nothing but 180 by 3, 60. Okay, now question is, 60 is what percentage of marks scored by A in max? Okay, what is the marks scored by A in max? A in max 160. Okay, so 60 is what percentage of 160? Okay, 60 is what percentage of 160? So when your zeros and zeros will get cancelled. So what happens here? Okay, this is like 3, 0, this is like 8 times. Okay, again simplify it, 15, and this is like 4 times. Okay, again this is 1 time and this is 2.5 times. How much it is? 37.5 percentage. So answer for this one is 37.5 percentage. Okay, next one. If in a class Z members are there. Okay, so in a class, how many members are there? Z members are there. And the overall average of English and Maths is M and N. Okay, so overall average of English and Maths, okay, average of English, average of Maths is M and N. If the person D left the class, okay, now what happens? Person D left the class, then overall marks of the class in English and Maths is decreased by 2. Okay, so D leaves. Okay, D leaves in the sense English 80, Max 120. Okay, English 80, okay, English 80, Max 120. Find the difference of M and N. Okay, we need to find what is the difference of these two values M and N. Okay, so now you already know. So Z members, if one member is leaving, it will become Z minus 1. Okay, what is the average mark of class in English? It is nothing but M. If this person is leaving, what happens to the overall average? It becomes M minus 2. Okay, so here what is the difference? So difference is 1, here difference is 2. Okay, now what we'll do will be cross multiplying in this format. Okay, will be cross multiplying in this format. So M plus 2Z minus 2. Okay, so what is the score of D in English? Which is nothing but 80. Okay, so next, suppose they are given one more thing. Okay, what is that? If again same z members, one member is leaving. What is the overall average of max, which is nothing but n. So again it is becoming n minus 2. Okay, so here what happened, this is 1 and this is 2. So if you multiply it, we'll be getting 2z. Okay, so n n plus 2z minus 2 is equal to, what is the mark code by d in max, which is nothing but 120. Now they are asking for the difference. So if I take the difference, that is by changing the sign, what happens, plus 2z and minus 2z will cancel, minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled. So m minus n is equal to minus 40. So they are asking the difference of m and n. What is the difference of m and n? It is nothing but 40. The answer for this one is 40. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.